Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1974 Mgb Roadster. It's finished in this absolutely stunning color of a silver gray metallic with black interior, 4-speed, chrome wire wheels. Excellent car here with a James Bond look to it. 007's personal Mgb. But yeah, lovely car. We just purchased this from the San Diego area. The car shows about 50,000 original miles, we believe. But excellent paint, chrome, rubber, beautiful wheel and tire set with expensive XAS Michelin's. Those tires alone cost a fortune. But super car as far as cosmetics go and mechanicals. We're going to be showing you a driving video. But 4-speed with chrome wires, black interior, black weather equipment, everything in excellent condition. Even the trunk has the upgraded carpet kit. While I'm back here, I'll show you that right now. So you can see it's got the fully carpeted trunk. There is a big stack. Whoops. There's a big stack of original receipts and maintenance history that go with the car. But beautiful panel fit all the way around. Excellent bright work, lenses, body moldings, great panel fit. Just an absolute stunner of an Mgb, and you won't find one in this color because it was custom made to be this silver gray. There is a crack in the windshield that occurred in shipping, so we're going to get that corrected under the insurance. That's no problem, so that's going to be fixed. But let me show you this car's interior. So beautifully restored interior. Perfect door panels and arm bars, perfect brand new dashboard, padded sports steering wheel, excellent condition seats. They're vinyl, but they look the part. Nice high back headrest, excellent condition seats, original black top boot, brand new black top, new carpets, new door seals. Speedo shows 54,768. I'm going to be taking this on a test drive shortly, and you'll be able to see it with this video. Let's take a look under the car's hood. Beautiful base coat, clear coat in this stunning silver. Yep, so under the hood here we can see it's got all the upgraded heat shielding. Engine bay's very clean. They did a color change, so they did a very nice blackout of the engine compartment that looks real sharp. Extra cooling fan that's been added. Looks like it has a completely rebuilt engine with carb set. This car runs beautifully. We just came in and we've been just driving it around the yard here. But have a look for that test drive. This one's an absolute stunner of an Mgb Roadster. Final year for the chrome bumpered car. Just do another final walk around on it. This paint's fantastic. It even looks like it's got a little hint of lavender in it. But really stunning silver, black weather equipment, chrome wires, 4-speed, Mgb chrome bumpered Roadster, final year, 1974. And it's for sale right now on our website. This one's going to fly off the shelf. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.